You're that type of guy who's getting demotivated by your friends telling you that it's too late to start a YouTube channel? I know it's not. So here are some tips in which I will tell you how you can succeed on YouTube. In this video I will tell you the wrong YouTube myths, how to get suggested by YouTube, how to crack the algorithm, how to optimize your YouTube videos by search, and which method you should use on your channel to get more views. Coming up right now. Yo, what's up everyone, AwesomeIQ here, back with another awesome video, and today we will be talking about how you can get YouTube success, how you can crush the YouTube algorithm and get more views and followers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, you don't need subscribers to get views. Some people say, yo, I don't have 1 million subscribers, how will I get 1 million views? That's just not the case. People with literally 0 subscribers can get 1 million views in just one day. You just need to follow up the algorithm. You need to make good videos. I will be talking about the algorithm and better videos in a few minutes, so watch this video along the way as you will get new tips and tricks. Yeah, so you don't need subscribers to get views. As I said, you need to make good content. So because when those views comes in, those views turn into your subscribers. You don't need subscribers to watch your videos. Make new viewers and make them your subscribers. Then also when those views comes in, you need to turn those views into subscribers. A simple thing is just ask for subscribers. Like in the start of a video, you just say, yo man, subscribe to my channel and tell what your channel is about, and if they're interested in that thing, they will surely subscribe. And yeah, that has worked out. You can see one of my videos, I just asked so before the video starts, I want you guys to go down there and hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe with bell notification on, because it's absolutely free and you won't miss a single upload. So other than that, enjoy the video. For subscription in the start, and you can see 30% of those people actually subscribed who watched that video. There's also an example for Ninja on Twitch. He asked whoever has Twitch Prime, please make sure to subscribe, as with Twitch Prime members you can get free subscription, otherwise it's $5. So he said please subscribe. So and at that moment so many people just subscribed to his channel back then.
Feel free to click on this subscribe button, see if we got a Twitch Prime sub available, huh? Also, if you guys have an Amazon Prime account, or your parents or mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, or cousin have an Amazon Prime account, you can link your Amazon Prime account to your Twitch account and get Twitch Prime for free. Also, if you do obtain Twitch Prime.
So that's how you can get the call to action for subscription, as those viewers will convert into subscribers. Let's get to the algorithm. Third of all, you need to make clickbait thumbnails. But I know what you're thinking, isn't it wrong? No, don't clickbait to the limit where it's wrong. Like you can't just say I have a Lamborghini in my backyard and the whole video is about a toy, you buying a toy Lamborghini. No, that's completely wrong. You need to like clickbait, like you need to make a brighter thumbnail, a catchy image just regarding what you're showing. Like you can say, look, I bought a new iPhone 11. You can make the thumbnail more like bright, and you can put it in your hand like this, yo, I brand new iPhone 11. You can make a thumbnail, look how I bought this iPhone 11 or something like that. So people, it's more appealing to people. Like you can't just put like unboxing the iPhone 11, because why would a person watch you if they can find like people like MKBHD or Unbox Therapy unboxing that phone already? Why would they even watch you? Make something different or something unique that there's not a lot of competition in. Of course, it needs to have like some kind of attention like an iPhone 11, but unboxing reviews, most of the people do that. You won't get any success in that. Do something different, like compare one phone to another, or make something else if you're in the tech industry, or make whatever niche you are trying to grow in. You need to make something like less competitive in that niche, but it needs to get views as well. Like take a trendy topic and just make a video with your own idea. So fourth of all, you need to do is you need to make the video interesting. So what I mean by interesting video is that you need people to watch the video all the way to the end. Look, watch a Mr. Beast video. You watch one video and you just watch it from the start to the end.
Bought 100,000 roses, and this we are doing a Lamborghini race, and whichever one of you wins keeps the Lamborghini. I'm going to be giving random people my credit card. Here you go, sir. We are joining the Boy Scouts and getting all the badges.
And those videos are like around 20 to 28 minute videos, and you just keep on watching those videos no matter what. So what's the reason to that is the longer you watch, the longer the audience retention is, the more YouTube is gonna recommend that video. So why is that, you may ask? That's because the more the people watch and the video and that content is like keeping the person on the YouTube platform, the more YouTube promotes it, as it's being viewed like for several minutes. So that means YouTube thinks this content will keep them in the platform for longer, and YouTube is gonna promote that video. And that's why audience retention is very important. As you can see, Mr. Beast, he has a high audience retention. That's why his videos are viewed so many times. Like every video he uploads gets more than 10 million views, and that's why he is succeeding on YouTube. And some extra tips I may give you is spend more time in writing ideas than making videos, because at the end it isn't about quantity, it's about quality. The quality of the idea, the quality of your video, and everything. So the idea needs to be good. As Mr. Beast said, if you're a small YouTuber, do this: spend more time thinking of ideas and double the time you put into filming. Then make 100 videos and improve something small with each video. Doesn't matter what, just improve each vid. Your content will be in a different league when you finish. You can't just come up with playing Fortnite with my friends. Nah. Like you can do something like Fortnite challenge, because look, if you make a challenge, people will stay to the end to see who wins, and just stretch the video as much as you want. Don't stretch it in a boring way. Add some challenges in between, and just do something that people stay longer for. Like look at Mr. Beast's hide and seek video. Sometimes he does one challenge in it, then he does something, and whatever he does keeps the people's attention. So that's something you need to keep in mind. He not always gives money to people, he just makes good videos like this that keeps the people's eyes on the video. And you can do that thing in order to grab some views. That's easy views because you're cracking the YouTube algorithm. And also make sure you need to make your thumbnails much appealing. Okay, Mr. Beast makes simple thumbnails, but those are unique from others, and those really catch the eye of some people. And this is not the old YouTube that used to be views or like short videos and something like that. This is like the new YouTube. You need to go with the longer videos. I recommend 10 minutes or more, and you need to make the video as much appealing and catchy as you can. Don't make it boring so the person who's watching just says nah, not my type, and just goes off. You need to make something which people are searching for, and you need to make something that people, as soon as someone clicks on it, you make them keep an eye on that content, and they watch each and every minute of that content. Also, one more thing I would say, if you can't do any of these steps, the good thing is you can always use the search engine for views. So you can see whatever is trending by downloading any kind of plugin on your Chrome, like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, and you can just search something and you can see how much popular that thing is. So if you say like how to get better at Fortnite, if you search that, so what you can do is write it in the search bar, and you can see how much competition is in that. So if the competition is low and the search result is high, that's an amazing search idea for you. So you can make a video on that. And what it really comes in the search optimized videos is the tags, thumbnail, and description. In the video which I was talking at first, the recommendation one, you really don't need to put that many tags in, description can be normal, and title needs to be catchy, but nothing with the keyword. But with search optimized videos, you need to be in title, the description, the thumbnail, and the tags. So whatever you write in the thumbnail, like how to get better at Fortnite, you need to put elaborated like description down, so it's longer but it also like has some keywords in it. Then in the description you can just copy paste the whole title. Then you can also write something like how to get better at Fortnite, for like you can add something like Fortnite, get better at Fortnite, and things which are associated with the phrase you're trying to say. So it needs to be the same thing, but you need to keep in your mind that what other people might be searching, like get better at Fortnite or how can I improve in Fortnite. So what other people might write, and you can't just write multiple titles, so put it in the description. So when people are searching that phrase, you can be easily searched by that. So this is how you can get recommended by YouTube and how you can get searched up by other people, so that you can gain views and attraction on your YouTube channel and grow your subscribers and business on YouTube. This is my tips, and these tips will succeed. I know that. If you want to just go on how to, and if you want to make a tutorial channel, go with the search thing, go with the search option. But if you want to make a totally normal channel like what people do, if you want to make a channel with you as the basic main focus without any niche, I recommend you making your way with the suggestion video ideas which I told you the first time. The watch time, the CTR, click-through rate, and everything I told you. You need to go by that if you want to create a suggested video. But if you want to create a search video, you need to research about what your video is about and how much competition that has, and how much search and how much like attention that video has in the search. And then you need to optimize your tags and everything. And that video doesn't even need to be that long. It can be like 5 minutes, because the views you're mainly getting from the search result. But if you want to get more views and succeed on YouTube, I prefer you going by the YouTube watch time and the click-through rate method. As you can see, Mr. Beast and other content creators, also like ZHC, these people are using the first method and they are getting 10 million plus views. So hope this video enjoyed you guys up. Hope this helped you guys, and hope you took some notes. Till that being said, my name is Ali. You're watching the Awesome Ali TV. See you tomorrow. Peace.